There's 3 of these windows in the bedroom that I have to hold open with one of these things here. And I don't know if what you can see from this, but you can see that it's kind of like out away from the groove it's supposed to fit in. You can probably get an idea of what kind of, I guess that's a sash or whatever that bar thing is in there. But at any rate, I have 3 of these in the bedroom here that I have to hold up with one of these things. The biggest problem is this one. I've never been able to move this one at all. And in fact, there's a pretty good gap right here that, this piece of tape keeps the wind from coming in. And this is what the sash looks like. Let me grab this thing right here. And so I guess it's a spring type of mechanism. And the previous owners of this house said it was possible to repair this with basic parts, but I have no idea what those parts would be. The problem also here is that it's a pretty good drop here from the window, so it's a little awkward. The window is pretty heavy, and then it's a pretty good drop. That down there, right there, by the way, is a solar water heater using glycol, heat exchange with water. And then there's a regular old solar panel there. The next problem is this guy here. The windows, glass is cracked. I've never got this one to budge at all. And so I do not know, if it will move or not. And it's a little awkward because it's at the top of some stairs here. So that's a slight issue there. There's a little one here. This one has to be propped up. It's the smallest of the bunch. Same thing, it slides up, but I have to prop it up. This one would be by far the easiest to work on because it's lighter and a little bit easier to get to. There are actually 3 more in the kitchen and actually a 4th one over here. I've never got these to budge, but I have to get up on the counter to move these anyways. So these I don't really need to do anything with. This one over here though does have a draft, and so I should probably have this one looked at. So I think that's a total of 3 in the bedroom, 2 above the stairs, this one right here we're looking at here, and then that little one up by the front door. Also, the previous owners left this bag labeled window supplies. I'm not sure if these things are useful in any way. I mean, they must be useful in some way, but I don't know if they would solve any problems or not. I don't know. But at any rate, there's a few parts and pieces here that may be helpful.